So here's the materials needed. We need fabric. Yeah, fabric. So I don't have fabric, so I search on old clothes to make a scrunchies. Oh yeah, scrunchies. Here's the clothes. Going to cut it all. Yeah, cut it all. So we need a rubber band, measure tape, pencil, scissors, rollers, and pattern. And also sewing machine though. And here's the pattern. I have a 9 centimeters length and 45 centimeters width. So you can add more centimeters. I suggest 50 centimeters width. Yes, and now I'm cutting the sleeve. Brok. I cut them all. Yeah. Get your rubber band and put the fabric all over the rubber band. Wait for it. Yeah, right that. Yeah, like that. Okay, and then sew it. Oh yeah. DJ, music. Cut. Yeah. So next step is we need to flip the fabric upside down. This is the hardest part because the fabric is too hard to flip. Flip it. Yeah, wait for it, girl. Just wait, yes. Yeah, that's right. Oh yeah. Then fold it. And put the other side inside. And sew it. Sew it. And we have a cute scrunchie. Next is the pink one. Yes, it's pink. My favorite color is pink and yellow. But no one's asking. Duh. And then just follow the process and I'll be back. Me.
It's a strange feeling that I have. It's a weird being that I am.
Since I have extra fabric, yeah, I decided to style my scrunches in 3 different ways. Oh yeah. So here's the pattern. I have 5 inches width and 3 inches length. So I fold the fabric and trace the pattern and cut it. Yeah, cut it. Yeah. So we need 2 pieces of this. And sew it. Make sure to leave 1 space open to flip it up after we sew it. Yeah.
I like the bed to myself.
And cut the side to reduce the tension. And be careful not to cut the stitch, girl. Don't cut the stitch. And we are almost done. We only need is to flip the fabric and wait for it. Yeah, break it down, yo.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love, that's all.
And sew the open area.
So
And we're done. Yay! So this time, I don't have a measurement. I just cut it. Out of nowhere. Yeah.
Baby, shampoo and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night.
So I mark a line like a triangle form and I cut it. I also mark a line and cut it to make a rectangular chubby form. Yeah. I fold the fabric outside. As you can see, I already cut the both side and sew it. Always remember that you need to leave one space open to flip the fabric after. Okay?
What to change, but do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true.
So, flipping time. Oh yeah.
Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more.
And we're done flipping. Yes. Don't forget to sew the open area. Yeah, girl. Sew it. So now, this time, I fold the fabric and pin it up. And I mark in the middle. Yes, in the middle of the night. And then I sew 1/2 inch each of both sides. Always make sure to leave one space open, okay? Burk.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I will try to play my part.
It's flipping time. Oh yeah. Music. So after flipping, I'm now putting a cotton ball inside to make a fluffy ribbon. Yeah, fluffy, fluffy, ribbon, ribbon. So I put a mark in the middle, but first I saw the open area. Then after that, I saw the middle. And then we're almost done.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning.
So this is the last batch. I don't have also a measurement here. I just clean all the edges to make it presentable.
Okay, I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This.
Oh yeah, look how clean is it. You just need to put them together and sew it. And voila, we're done. So here's all the result. You can do this at home, and always remember that if I can do it, you can do it. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on my next video. God bless and bye! Mwah.